Want to know how to view agent cases or agent resources in Kimi AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up kimi.com on your web browser. So once you've opened it up, you should be provided with this interface right here, and make sure you are logged in as well. We have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So once you have logged in, here in order to see your featured agent cases, you should be under any chat, your website, and specifically on new chat. Now once you're on a new chat, here you should be seeing featured agent cases, the studies and the resources that is done by the agent of Kimi itself. So you can just simply scroll down to see the cases right here, and here you can select more cases in order to see more. So you can change from web app inspiration, data visualization, creativity, and much more. And to get back, just select back to home. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.